Hey guys, it's Bahari with YSL Beauty. I'm gonna be doing a little smoky eye with like a coral tone lip.
I'm gonna do a cat eye with a red lip.
And we're gonna have spiced margaritas. So sit down and enjoy this makeup tutorial because I don't know where it's going.
So I usually start with the tone corrector, the YSL tone corrector. It's amazing. It helps take away any red blemishes or any little dots that you have on your face. Use it every day.
It's really good. It has verbena oil and vitamin E, and yeah, it's just gonna fight your redness all day. So I'm just gonna put that in like areas that I have discoloration or redness, and you will see it makes a really big difference.
This is literally my favorite stuff. You have to let it sit for like 5 minutes and then you will see all of your redness just disappears. I usually use it in the center, right here, and on my nose and on my chin because I get like a very oily little T-zone. And what's great about this blotting lotion is that you can put it on after you already have your makeup on, so you can just like dab it on and it takes away any little oily parts. Then I go in with the Glow and Balm. I use this where I want to have a little bit more of a glow and a shimmer, so I usually take this and put it on my cheekbones, on the little tip of my nose, anywhere that I feel like needs a little glow.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the new skin tint. I wear number 4, and this is amazing. It has a lot of hyaluronic acid in it, so it will keep you glowy for 24 hours. It's amazing. It's very light, very creamy and blendable, but I am gonna use a beauty blender just to get a little more coverage. And normally I match my skin tone a little bit better, but I was tan a month ago. This is really good because the skin tint is super buildable, so you can either have like a thin layer just to glow and even out your skin tone, or you can really build it to have more coverage.
So I use number 6 in the Bare Look tint. I seriously use this every single day. You can put it over your look from last night, even if you just want to go to the grocery store, and like Natalia said, you can build like a more full coverage look with it. It's really good for your skin as well. This stuff is the best.
And make sure you're bringing it down your neck. That is something I had to learn the hard way. So everything is like even and everything matches. Like you can only save it so much with bronzer, so you gotta bring it down. This is a highlighting concealer, so it's really cool because you can just put it on and it will kind of reflect away like anything that you were trying to cover, instead of like having a really heavy coverage. But you can use it as like a highlight or to conceal anything you want to put makeup on.
Touche Eclat Radiant Touch.
Gorgeous. So under my eye, I'm just gonna get under here and right in the inner corner, just to get rid of like darkness under my eye. And I'm just gonna start bringing this over with what's left on my sponge to just start concealing things that I want to get rid of.
I use the Touche Eclat pen under my eyes to bring a little bit of shimmer, some brightness. Most important, I think, is the little tip of my nose. My personal favorite, right on your brow bone, right underneath your brows.
I'm gonna do that.
Just like lifts your eyes so much.
That's a good tip.
The one under your eyebrows?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Good one.
Do you do the same thing as me? When I do my makeup, my mouth is just always open.
It's open?
I'm just like,
when I do my mascara, my mouth is open.
I do it all the time.
It's so embarrassing. Okay, what's next? Oh, how have I forgotten to do my makeup? This is the bronzing powder. It's the Bronzing Stones in color 2, shade 2.
Another thing that I love to do with my bronzer and contour is put a tiny bit under my lip.
Oh,
to make a little shadow, give the illusion of big lips.
Fake it till you make it. Kind of like making like the number 3. We never like talk when we're doing our makeup. I don't know why we would. like about what we're doing.
We never explain it to each other.
I'm learning so
Apart
much.
from, like, how do you always do your eyebrows so perfectly?
You always do your eyeliner so good. Was it?
I think we all do our eyebrows really well.
Natalia made this with our one jalapeno that grew in the garden.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno. What do you say?
Jalapeno.
What if I started saying that? My one jalapeno. Like, that just would never work for me.
I know. A jalapeno in the garden. I used it. I grew it myself.
YSL's lipsticks actually do
So
really
amazing.
well
Yeah.
on the go in an emergency. If you need some color, just dab it right here, work it into your cheeks.
Especially if you're wearing that lipstick,
Blends.
it's so perfect because you just have like a continuous color palette on your face.
Yeah.
It's stunning.
Ooh, Zendaya said to focus on the outer corners of your eyebrows more than the inner, and that will like really open up your face and do like that same
Love
look that we
Zendaya.
were getting with the
Thanks, Queen.
highlight. Thanks, Queen.
Now,
Brows.
for the moment we've all been waiting for. The Couture Color Clutch Eye Palette. Ta-da! Stunning.
So when I am doing like my crease, I'm focusing a lot on the outer corner and trying to bring that out to create like a fake cat eye shadow, so it looks like that's my eye shape. And then yeah, I'm just dragging the rest of it into the inner corner, the excess that's on the brush. And sometimes I even go like this.
Okay, we are going to start my cat eye. I'm using the Crush Liner. Sometimes I use a like ink pen, but today we're using the Crush Liner Stylo Eyeliner Waterproof one. So I just do a little line and then I take a brush and I sweep it out to make a cat eye.
She swept.
I swept. And this eyeliner is so great because it's like a smoky. I'm gonna do a little bit more because I want it to be a bit stronger. And just swipe it up.
This is if you are not as good at cat eyes. You can just like throw this on and it can look a little crazy for a second because we're gonna go back and just smudge it in. But I'm going to create that shape a little bit with the eyeliner. Ow. Okay. Should I have another sip of my margarita before I do the other one? Don't bet on it. That's not the answer we wanted. Indications say yes. Yeah. Okay. So then I'm gonna go in with the black powder, the smoke effect that's kind of lifting the outer corner.
It is. This one you just have to make it a bit thicker on that side. Like upwards,
Yeah.
not downwards.
Okay. Always have a friend that's honest with you. That is really key to doing eyeliner. Just like blending this with my finger in case anything's too harsh.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with this little gold color right here.
Stunning.
Just right above.
Ooh! I can't open this.
Right above where I put the liner. And this palette is so good. It's like so pigmented. Gorgeous.
So now we're gonna go in with mascara.
This one is Mascara Volume Effect.
That one volumizes. This one is, I think, more for lengthening.
Yeah.
Cheers.
I always start on the outer corners and try and focus as much there, so you, especially if you're doing a wing, so you just really like bring the wing out. Also, I don't curl my eyelashes. I know that you're supposed to and a lot of people do, but I have long lashes, and so sometimes when I curl them I get that problem where they stick to the top of my eyelid and give me like a black line, which is not cute for anyone.
I feel like these mascaras act like an eyelash curler.
Exactly, they're so good.
If you want to skip a step, this is definitely the way to go.
Now, for the most special and stressful part, the red lip. I'm super weird and I do a combo of different shades for different parts of my lip.
Smart. Also, how many times have I said that's smart to every tip you've given me? I'm like, that's genius.
YSL has the most incredible red lipstick I've ever experienced in my life, and today we are going to use the Slim Velvet Radical, and I use 2 shades. I use the 306 and the 309. The 309 I use for like the outer areas of my lip, and then I go in with the 306. And my favorite thing about this lipstick is that you don't need a lip liner.
Yeah.
Because the shape is so perfect. It's a little triangle and it's like a diamond. It's perfect. Okay, here we go.
Drum roll.
You're gonna stress me out. I'm gonna mess it up. Then I go in with my 306. This one's like a little bit of a lighter one. And I fill it out.
I think this color, which is 301, in the same lipstick Ruby's using, the same type. This is like the most neutral, cool undertone lipstick I could find. And so we're gonna go in with this and kind of just do what Ruby did. We're gonna start up here. I think my last step would be to put on the new Glow-In Balm, which is amazing because you can put it on top of other products and it's not going to like cake up or like pull off your product. It's just gonna go right on top and make you really glowy. Wherever you need an extra little highlight, get a little glow.
It's glowing.
Is it glowing? Okay. And it's really amazing because you can just put this in your bag with the blotting cream and just have both options when you're out. So if you feel dry, you can add some Glow-In Balm, and if you feel like you're too glowy or oily, you can use the blotting cream.
Make sure that you get your creases, your inner crease. The applicator for this lipstick is amazing.
And we could not forget, we could not leave the house
You cannot leave the house
without smelling good. This is,
Libra.
yeah, again,
YSL Libra.
I can't say it.
I'm going to go in with the Black Opium. This one is just a classic. It's so good. It smells incredible.
Yeah, these are super strong, so they will last you.
All day long, I swear. You'll spray
All day
one
long.
time and you'll get home and you'll still smell amazing.
A little dew spray?
Yeah.
For the road? Woo! Thank you guys for watching.
Happy holidays.
Check out YSL Beauty for the products that we used today, and we hope you liked our looks.
Let us know if you liked it, if you want us to make more.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye!